It's time for DJ Raqi's Secret Files. Ihinto na raw namin kasi he fell out of love. How can love be so scary? I woke up one morning tapos sabi niya, he wants to end the relationship because he fell out of love. Hi, DJ Raqi. I just want to share my story. Para mabawasan naman yung sakit na nararamdaman ko ngayon. Itago mo ako sa pangalang Iris. And this is my secret file. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ako malas sa pag-ibig. I've always been cheated on and taken for granted. Ginagawa ko naman lahat eh. I'm a very supportive, caring, loving, faithful, chill, at kung ano-ano pa as a girlfriend. My friends always tell me na I deserve someone who sees my worth. Dahil lahat ng ex ko, binabaliwala lahat yun. Throwback to 2018 when I had my first boyfriend. Todo bigay ng gifts, todo alaga, todo suporta, pero hindi nag-work. I couldn't stand the pain and misery that he was giving me. Kaya nag-break kami on our 8th monthsary. Year 2020. My second ex was okay naman at first. Chill din. But he kissed my friend before our first anniversary. Kaya nag-break din kami. I was just so lost. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako nagkulang. Was I too much? Or was I less? Sana hindi ko nalang ginawa yan. Paulit-ulit akong umiiyak at nag-overthink tuwing gabi nang dahil sa mga pinagdaanan ko. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this. We always want to do what's best for our partners. Gusto natin magbago so people won't leave us. We always want to make everything perfect. Pero hindi naman lahat ng gusto natin natutupad. A time came wherein I lost hope. And I didn't believe in love anymore. May nagchat naman sa akin. Pero I ignore them. Alam ko namang hindi yun tatagal. Especially during this pandemic. People are just bored. Gusto nila ng kausap, ka-movie mar, at kung ano-ano pang pwedeng gawin. And if those people are bored na ulit, mawawala sila ng parang bula. Then July 2021 came. One day, my friend and I were video calling. Habang nagchichikahan kami, I came across a message that I ignored. Itago na lang natin siya sa pangalang Nico. I asked my friend kung kilala niya si Nico dahil mutual friend din sila. Sabi ng friend ko, "Uy, ba't di mo niyan nireplyan?" I wasn't really interested in him kasi nga wala siyang profile pic or cover photo. He was the mysterious, low-key kind of guy. Uy, mabait yan, very humble and intelligent. Type mo rin yan kasi He's in college. Dagdag ng friend ko. So I stalked him. Thankfully, may mga pictures din naman pala siya. And plus points na rin kasi he is 3 years older than me. Nahiya pa ako at first kasi nag-chat siya ng June 4, 2021 and I replied ng July 5, 2021. Pero binaliwala ko naman yon. Wala namang harm in trying, diba? So ayun, nag-wave back ako sa kanya and we started talking to each other. He was just so pure. And I really enjoyed talking to him. He was the first guy who asked about my family on our very first chat. Although, ayoko namang ikumpara siya sa iba pero wala makukumpara mo talaga na iba siya sa lahat ng mga lalaking nakausap ko. Concerned siya sa health ko. Lagi niya akong nire-remind na uminom ng tubig at bawas-bawasan ko yung pagkakape ko. He helped me fix my sleeping schedule dahil ayaw niyang napupuyat ako. He even encouraged me to eat a lot and work out. And wow, in 2 days na pagchat-chat namin, I felt something. It was good na I have someone who uplifts me, someone who is concerned about my physical and emotional feelings. Pero parang may mali. Ayokong tapusin yung kaligayahang nararamdaman ko kaya hindi ako nag-worry. Pinilit kong wag mag-worry. I just followed the flow and opened my heart once again. July 7, he asked me out on a date. Medyo shocked pa ako noon kasi no one has ever asked me out. Funny kasi I had 2 exes but they never asked me formally out on a date. Syempre pumayag ako. Sino ba namang hindi papayag dyan, diba? So the next day, nag-prepare ako. He picked me up ng 11:30 sa bahay namin. Pumunta kami sa mall. At habang nasa parking lot kami, inabot niya yung phone niya at saka wallet. Lagay ko daw sa bag ko. I smiled. Even that small act made my heart skip. Kumain kami sa isang fast food chain and we just talked about random stuff. Pagkatapos namin kumain, pumunta kami sa department store kasi gusto niya raw bumili ng mga bagong damit. I knew that he was the clingy type pero hindi ko alam kung sisigaw ba ako o mahihimatay sa kilig. While we were walking, he held my hand. Oo, hinawakan niya yung kamay ko. At ayun, kinilig ako. Parang magjowa kami, naka-holding hands lang kami habang naglalakad sa mall. He asked my opinions about the shirts na pinili niya at sinunod naman niya lahat ng sinabi ko. After buying everything that he needs, pumunta kami sa isang coffee shop dahil alam niya ang love ko yung coffee. We stayed there from 2 p.m. hanggang 7 p.m. We just talked about our plans in life. At komportable lang ako, nakasama ko siya. We even shared our first kiss sa date namin. I know that everything happened so fast, pero hindi na ako nag-worry kasi happy naman ako eh. Happy ako, nakasama siya. The next days were the same. He would call so I could wake up. If I had classes that would start at 7 a.m. Ganon din ako sa kanya. We would go on dates and have fun. Until unti-unting nagbago. Hindi ko alam kung anong nagawa kong mali, but one day, hindi na lang siya nag-message. I was waiting for his good morning pero wala. Kaya nag-chat ako, sabi ko, "Hey, good morning. Busy ka ba?" He replied few minutes after pa. Gumagawa raw siya ng module. Hindi ko na siya inistorbo kasi his reply was understandable. Pero ramdam ko na sa sarili ko na may mali. So I mustered up my courage at tinanong ko siya, "Meron bang mali? Is there something wrong? Do you want to ghost me na? He replied na may pinagdaraanan lang daw siya. So I gave him space and assured him na I'm always one call away if he needs me. The next morning was one of the worst mornings of my life. I have to tell you something. I'm sorry. Habang nagbabasa ako sa message niya, gusto ko na lang matulog ulit. I didn't want to read the next message he was typing. Iris, you're so kind, nice, jolly, family-oriented, and I'm so happy that we met. You're perfect for me. You cared for my feelings, and I'm genuinely happy with you. But these past few days, I was wondering, bakit nawawala yung spark? I feel like we're having a different direction in this relationship, and I don't have the same feelings that I once did when we started. Haven't you noticed? Sobrang bilis natin. Like we were so hyped because we found each other, and we had bad experiences on our past relationships. Iris, you're a strong, independent, and loving person. I know you have the will and a bright future ahead of you. Inaamin ko naman na may sala ako cause I fell out of love. Masakit sa part ko that I have to let you go. I don't want to waste your love, time, and feelings kasi baka in the end or in the future, hindi mag-work. I'll continue to cheer you on in your career and aspirations. But I'll be on the sidelines. I know this will be tough for both of us, but it's better to stop kaysa sa pinipilit na lang natin. His words struck my heart. Bigla akong nawalan ng gana. Iyak ako ng iyak. I still wish na it was all a prank, pero hindi eh. I just felt pain. Wala naman akong choice kundi tanggapin ang katotohanan na our relationship just ended. So I don't really know where to start, but I'm really grateful na naging bahagi siya ng buhay ko. And if I'll be asked what's my message for him, eto yun. Even for a short period of time, I would say that I was genuinely happy when we were together. All the dates, pieces of advice, support, and like everything, I will treasure all those memories. You are more than enough. And I couldn't wish for more, but yeah, these things happen for a reason. I'm sorry if I had my shortcomings. You made me strong. You helped me a lot, especially with the struggles that I faced. You encouraged me to do better, and I will never regret anything that happened. I'll continue to support you in your dreams, and I'll pray for your continuous success, especially in your career. Take care of yourself and be happy. Yun yung mensahe ko sa kanya. Na actually, nireply ko dun sa mensahe niya. Kahit masakit, I still had the chance to be optimistic. Kahit hindi ko nasabi lahat ng gusto kong sabihin sa kanya, I was still thankful. We ended the relationship on good terms, but I'm still hurting. Weeks and months have gone, but I still couldn't forget him. Nakakapit pa rin ako sa memories namin. And pagod na ako. I'm sure, lahat tayo, meron tayong failed relationships, and yet we still wish na sana nag-work. But we have to move on. And we have to look forward and keep on moving. So again, Nico, I just want to tell you how thankful I am that you were a part of my life. Those words just couldn't express the love that I felt towards you. I'm still here, but I'm sure you're happy. I'm trying hard not to cry because I know you hate it when I'm crying. Sa lahat ng mga nasasaktan ngayon, there will be a time na magiging okay ang lahat. You just have to be patient and wait for God's perfect timing. Ako si Iris, and this is my secret vow.